1611 Rushing River. A really beautiful tile at the entry, great looking carpet. For some reason, not all of the lights turned on for me. These are verticals. We'll get Jenny's opinion on whether or not they stay. A paper fan up top, which is great. It's already in place. This is actual stained glass. Just a coat closet. This is broken. Yeah, so I couldn't go outside, but we do have a little bit of concrete, some grass. It's a nice size yard. There's a mature tree on the far right side, some concrete, and a shed on the left, some planters and rocks. So from what I can see, it looks really nice. Upgraded light. This is where the table goes. We have cabinet pulls on a few of the drawers and cabinets. These blinds look fine. Some of the cabinets are showing some wear, but we have a beautiful stainless steel and black Space Saver microwave. Walls are grayish. Couldn't get the light on. Oh, sorry, there is no light in this room, but I opened the blinds, and as you can see, there's a fogged window here. Not a big deal. That's usually something we put in the repair request. Some of that beautiful tile in here. Shower looks good. Just need a shower rod. Laminate flooring in this room. Okay, so this room needs a lot of touch up. Well, not a lot, but a few areas. Three-prong. Okay, that's the house.